Um, to Jessa, kasi like, yung, ikaw talaga yung original phenomenal diva, di ba? With the bakit pa and all. How do you maintain yung same emotion ng heartbreak every time na kinakanta mo yon? Yung bakit pa na yun? Kasi, wala, hanggang ngayon, tagus pa rin. Talagang
Oo nga eh.
feel na feel ko pa din.
Baka naman na pinagdadaanan ka mo.
Witty.
Siguro every time na kinakanta ko yung bakit pa, ano lang, kailangan lang lagi kang sincere. Dun sa mga words na sinasabi mo, dun sa lyrics na kanta mo. And gano'n din, binabalikan ko yung mga times na nandun ako sa sitwasyon na yun, dun sa story ng kanta.
Nangyari na sa'yo?
Ha? Oo naman, syempre, no? Noong unang panahon. So, pero ako, inspirasyon ko doon is yung mga taong nakarelate dun sa kanta.
Thank you. And to Ding Dong, you have a rich discography. Which among those songs you would wish mas ma-appreciate ng new generation?
Well, people know of Basta't Kasama Kita kasi yun, nag-evolve yun eh. Solo, tapos naging theme song ng movie, naging teleserye, naging duet namin. So, accepted na siya kasi parang alam na nila yung song na yun. But there are several songs of mine that I feel I want this generation to experience, diba? And I intend to do that. I intend to do some songs, reimagine some songs that I did for this new generation. Like there's this one song na I wrote for Jessa. It was one of those songs na it's called Iibigin. And I feel like never had a chance to promote it. But I think it's something, it speaks to the heart na parang yun nga yun. No matter what happens, parang whatever happens in the future, ikaw pa rin ang iibigin ko. I will always choose you. Ganun yung story ng iibigin. And meron ako isang kanta pero
Another press ko dapat yun eh. Pero parang, okay lang din sabihin banggitin yan.
Kasi
after the concert, yun ang kakabisigan natin.
Well, recently, after the concert, I went back to the studio to record again because I miss it. And I chose a song that was very dear to me. It's not mine actually originally, but it has a sentimental value. It's the song of my wife. So I'm coming up with a version and sabihin na ba natin? I might be launching it sa concert and then sing it. My version of her song. May storya yun eh. Pero doon ko na lang ikwento kasi dito marami na ako na chika eh. Pero you'll know. Sana manood kayo. I'm hoping that. And she produced the...
Wow.
Ano naman yung producer niya for the song?